and now everybody is saying that about Kaho Na Pyar Hai also. They're like, if दो बन जाएगी, it will break the record of one. ये तो is in Rakesh Roshan's hands and Hrithik's hands and everything. No, I have nothing to do with it, but everyone wants it.
Today, when there are part 2s, part 3s, they just change the cast and वो फिर मजा चला जाता है. Do you feel the same way that we need to see the same people?
Absolutely. For some iconic films, like if you take a Titanic, you take a Top Gun, you take a Sholay have had to be remade, if you take a Mughal-e-Azam, a Pakiza, Mother India's, a Dilwale Dulhania, Kaho Na Pyar Hai, a Gadar, these films, because they revolve around emotional bonds, whether it was a Sholay between two friends or whether the rest of them were love stories, if you don't bring back the original star cast and take their story forward, it just becomes another film, because you're not talking about the title. The weightage is not in the title. The weightage is in the bonding of the characters. And these are the characters who the people have lived with in their hearts and their minds for years. It transcends generations. These are films that are evergreen, that will be watched throughout. Like, I was not born with Sholay, but I've watched Sholay multiple times. Or Mughal-e-Azam, or Pakiza, they live with me. I wouldn't want to see anybody else redoing the film or a part 2. So when you make a part 2 of these films, like a Titanic, if it had to be made, has to be made with Leonardo and Kate Winslet. Otherwise you can't register it, you can't relate to it. Dilwale Dulhania, I have to see Kajol and Shah Rukh. I don't want to see anyone else. So these films, the part 2s and 3s have to have the original characters, or it's going to fall flat. Other films which are comic capers, which are like superhero films, a Spider-Man, Wonder Woman, a Superman, you have your Golmals, Housefuls, a Bhool Bhulaiya, they can be carried forward by other actors because they don't have that connect. They're completely a different genre, Like a Bhool Bhulaiya, yes, had me and Akshay as the romantic lead, but it didn't revolve around the soul and romance of ours. It was a horror comedy, which you can take forward with other people. Though even for that film, people were wishing that along with Karthik, there would be an Akshay and Amisha coming back as well. That would give a good twist. So that is one possibility that could make even the franchise of Bhool Bhulaiya even better. Like even a Race 2, it had Saif, then it gotten new characters like me and Deepika, but Anil Kapoor and Saif were there. There was some registration. People like to see similar characters back. Similarly, like if you make a Pretty Woman in Hollywood, you'd want to see Richard Gere and Julia Roberts back. Tom Cruise, if it was Maverick was without him, there would be no connect. So certain films you have to have the original, otherwise they are ruined. I agree with your mother completely.
In fact, Anees sir recently said, Anees Bazmi, that मुझे अब भूल भुलैया बनानी है जिसमें I get Akshay, Amisha, Vidya, all of them together, and we make like a part for whatever they are planning, but we hope to see that.
Yeah, if Anees sir does do something like that in Bhool Bhulaiya, where Akshay, me, Karthik, Vidya, all of us come back together, I think that for the audience will be the biggest viewing pleasure, for sure. So these are what I'm saying, when you connect with these characters, you want to see them back. Like, can you imagine a new Krish? I can't.
Same.
Exactly, so that's what I mean.
We can't imagine a new pair in Kaho Na Pyar Hai. पता है Rapid Fire में कितने लोगों ने पूछा है new age actor से बताओ who can play Amisha and Hrithik, and everyone has said nobody, please don't do that. But we want to see a part 2. Is there a planning? Because everyone wants to be happier by the news of.
Everyone wants it. Everyone is desperate. In fact, when Gadar 2 was not even in the making or even in the thinking stage, my friends used to tease me and say, Gadar 1 ke records se Gadar 2 tod sakta hai. And I'd be like, come on, yeah, guys, there's no Gadar 2 being made. When it was finally announced and then released and then, caused havoc at the box office, they're like, dekha na? And now everybody is saying that about Kaho Na Pyar Hai also. They're like, if do ban jayegi, it will break the record of one. I said, but ye to, is in Rakesh Roshan's hands and Hrithik's hands and everything. No, I have nothing to do with it, but everyone wants it.